Hi everyone, this is Sybil, your skin fitness expert. I'm here today to talk to you about the Awaken TAMA device and how amazing it is for treating acne. Any kind of acne. Absolutely any kind of acne, whether it's cystic or hormonal. It's so good. And the reason why is because of the healing properties of the lymphatic drainage mode. Now, I've talked a lot about the lymphatic drainage mode. I have a bunch of videos on lymphatic drainage mode, but the particular acne treatment mode, I want to go into detail on a little bit more because there is a very specific protocol that you should think about doing. You always want to have it on clean skin, and you want to make sure that you are running it very specific to what your needs are. So depending on what kind of acne you have, and it really doesn't matter which kind, you do want to make sure that you're running the lymphatic every single day and that you're running it on mode 1. So how we do that is we turn it on. We make sure that we push the button until we hit mode 1. That's the top button until we hit mode 1. We want to make sure that our current is around 200 to 300. So if you're ever getting a lot of tingling, we want to drop that current down. The more damaged your skin is, the less current you can take. So just make sure it's not about how hard you can get it. Acne people, you guys are always like, give me the hardest, I can take it. Guys, chillax. You don't need to take harder. Chill it, get it down lower. It's going to be okay. So what you want to do with you is we want to make sure that our placement is we're going to do a round of 2. All right, so hold on one second. You're going to do a round of 2, and I did actually just talk about this. So we're going to do a round of 2. I like to cut mine in circles. I find that they work better in circles, but you can totally do squares. You can actually do even little tiny ones like this. I just find the circles, the more coverage area you get, the more current you get. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply it the first time. You're going to apply it. We're going to do around one side for 10 minutes and then on the other side for 10 minutes. And we're going to do that every single day on lymphatic mode until you really start to clear up. And you will find that you will start to clear up. You should notice a difference within 3 weeks. Most of my clients will notice a difference in 2 weeks, maybe 1 week. But so you're going to put a pad here, you're going to put a pad here, and you want to make sure it's hitting into that nasal fold. Okay, don't let it go into the eye area. You want to make sure it stays under that bone or on that bone. Okay, I'm sorry, these are going to fall off because, like, dude, I've been using these all day while I shot videos. If you ever have trouble with your pads falling off, make sure you put a gel under them that's water soluble, like aloe vera or something. You are going to put another pad. It's going to be like right in front of the ear. Okay, so right in front of the ear. Okay, and you can put these in any direction, so these can be down if you want, it's fine. Okay, so you can be in front of the ear. Okay, I just find that these are like the direction that people can think about. So you can be front of the ear. Okay, and then the last one is going to be right on the edge of the jaw, under the jawbone. Okay, you're going to run that for 10 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to move these down. You're going to leave this one at your jaw. You're going to move this one. You're going to move this one to the front, under this section of your jaw. You're going to move this one to the base. It's going to be like the base of your clavicle, right under top of your clavicle. And this one is up. So this one's here. And this one is right on the corner of your mouth. So like that. That's what we're looking at. So like that. And we're gonna let that run for another 10 minutes. Like that. All right, so that one stays in place. Let that run for 10 minutes. So one here, leave that one here. This one stays right under the jaw, right under the kind of like chin area, under the jaw and chin area. And this one, top of the clavicle, right above the clavicle, on the edge here, right on top of the clavicle, on the neck. And run that for 10 minutes. So full 20 minutes here. And then you're going to move to the other side. So 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So it'll be full 20 and this side 20. And yeah, it's a long treatment, but it's worth it. And you can lie down, you can watch TV, whatever. Doesn't matter. You can drive in your car if you want to. and you will thank yourself after you've done that. If you get it in 3 times a week, I'm still pretty excited. But every day you're gonna be much happier. You're gonna be much, much happier. I also have a recommendations for kind of moving off of, you know, maybe dairy and sugar and things like that, but start with something like this and you'll still get a lot of results. All right. So that is the acne protocol for mode 1. All right. With the TAMA device. All right. Thanks guys. Bye.